Hello, my name is Maurice, and I'm a cat who likes puzzles. Here is a collection of some of my favourite puzzles. So without further ado, I'm going to remove this pretentious black background and introduce you to my assistant. Thank goodness that's finished. I was going a little dizzy there. Here is my capable but not very bright assistant who will walk you through these puzzles. There are 5 in all. He and I will take it in turns to explain each puzzle to you, and then, if you want to solve the puzzle yourself, you should pause the video and give it a go. If you don't want to solve the puzzles, then you can just sit back and let somebody else do all the work. But that's not really using your brain, is it? Good puzzling. Take it away, Mr. Assistant. Thank you, Maurice. Our first puzzle is called the Magic Circle. Place the blue numbers 1 to 6 on the circle intersections so that the numbers on each circle add up to 14. Pause the video now to answer this puzzle yourself, and the answer will appear soon. There are many answers to this. Here are just 2 of them. This next puzzle is called the Missing Operators. Fill in the empty circles with the symbols plus, minus and multiply so that you arrive at the answer 76. Now pause to solve this problem yourself. It's pretty easy, so I'll be disappointed if you cheat on this one. Here is the answer to this easy puzzle. This puzzle will test your spatial awareness. It's called Dissecting E. Your task is to cut the letter E into 5 pieces so that they will fit together to form a perfect square. This is pretty difficult unless you see it straight away. This is tricky. Did you spot it? So, are you getting all of these, or are you just enjoying all the nice graphics? Good, aren't they? My assistant draws them all by himself. This one is again a spatial awareness puzzle called the 10 counters. Place 10 counters in the 2 rows of 5 as shown. The task is to move 4 of the counters and place them so that the 10 counters shall form 5 straight lines with 4 counters in every row. Just try a little harder to get this one and don't cheat. That's just being lazy. Again, another easy one. And here is the last puzzle, called the Crayon Donkey. 5 crayons represent a donkey facing right. Move 1 crayon, and 1 only, to create a similar donkey facing left. Maurice will be very disappointed if you don't get this one. This is obvious when you see it. So that's that then for this set of puzzles. If you like puzzles, like me, Maurice the cat, then you may wish to look at all the other puzzles on my channel. Better still, you can subscribe to the channel by pressing the big round button above my head. It costs nothing, and you can make sure you don't miss all the other puzzles I will post. Bye bye. Happy puzzling.